Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have a quick tutorial for you today. So it is in Fusion360 and we are just going to be talking about how to move and copy parts. So the features are just right here, move, copy, and it's also found right here, move, copy, and the shortcut is M. There's also lots of other places you can find it. If you right click on a part, you can also move, copy, as well as over here, if you right click on a part, move, copy. These are just some plates that I've been designing for a little custom Stormtrooper. So kind of fun. But as you can see, they are touching. They're right on point with each other. And this is because I just mirrored it over the origin. Obviously, there's lots of ways I could move them and have them separate with how I modeled it, but we're showcasing this feature. So we're going to click on Move Copy. And we can move bodies, we can move components, faces, and even sketches, which personally is actually one of the biggest reasons that I do use this feature. I do move sketches on occasion, probably more so than I do actual bodies. So what we are going to select bodies, and it's going to ask us to make a selection. So where you select is actually going to be placing the point in which you're moving, depending on the move type you choose. So move type right here. This current one, free move, gives you all sorts of different options. It gives you most of the options in which you can select a plane and move it around the plane. You can transform sorry, on an arrow, as well as you can rotate. You also do have a translate, not transform, sorry, translate. We have all the three arrows in the X, Y, Z. You have rotate. With rotate, it's going to prompt you to select an axis. So let's just say that line right there. And now we can rotate the part around the axis. Point to point, pretty unique. We can actually just select a point right here, and let's say we actually want that point to be over there. You can see it just shifted it right over. And then last is point to position. Point to position is pretty interesting because you'll select a point, and then you actually will type in your X, Y, Z in space, what point in space you want that point to be found at, and it'll shift the whole part just like you do with a point to point, except you're going to be designating a specific point, maybe one that you actually don't have physically currently in your model. Last thing we have is actually the create copy. So we just click on that, and you can see as you move over, I've just duplicated the part. Something to note though with the copying, because this is actually a feature I didn't even know was part of the move copy. I thought it was just a move again. So we'll just cancel that. Is you can actually select a body and click Control C, Control V, and it'll do the exact same thing, which is actually a really good move in my opinion for Fusion360 because that is the standard copy paste for pretty much every program. And so I think that's pretty clever move. Anyway, we'll just get out of that and we'll cancel that. But that is it. That is the quick tutorial on how to use the move copy feature. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, hit that like button, as well as if you have any questions, comments, or even other ways that you may find useful that you use this feature, please leave them down in the comments below. I'd really love to hear them. And as always, keep on modeling. We'll see you.